Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inserting the smart SIM into the router's SIM1 slot. This ensures the device prioritizes Globe data. Once done, power on the unit and watch the LED pattern. Steady blue or green means network detected. While the router boots, open your phone and note the SIM ICSID and the 19-digit SIM number printed on the card. These identifiers matter for registration and PIN entry, so keep them visible as you move to activation. Next, sign into the router admin interface using 192, 168, 1, or the QR link on the device label and authenticate with the default admin password. Then configure the APN exactly as Globe requires. Use Internet, Globe, and select PAP/CHAP for authentication if available. Make sure to enter the SIM PIN when prompted. If you skip it, data won't start. Save the profile, apply settings, and reboot the router so the new APN and credentials can take effect. Finally, confirm connectivity by checking signal bars and the WAN status on the admin page. You should see an IP address assigned. Then ensure the smart SIM is loaded with prepaid credits and registered. Use the Globe app, portal, or dial *143# to top up and activate promos. If the internet fails, try a quick sequence. Power cycle the router, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, and only then perform a factory reset. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.